In this video, we'll look at how to prepare files and upload them for printing in the professional photography program. Any larger sized images that need to be output on the large format Epson or Canon printers should be uploaded this way. We'll start here in Photoshop and have a look at the image as it was prepared for the assignment. I would start by checking the physical size. In other words, what are the actual dimensions as well as the resolution. Under the Image drop-down menu in Photoshop, we can go to Image Size. Here, Photoshop will display the actual dimensions in whatever unit of measurement you're comfortable with, as well as the resolution in pixels per inch. So you want to check the physical dimensions as well as the resolution, making sure the resolution is 300. If that's correct, I suggest double-clicking on the zoom tool to view the image at 100%. If the sharpness is acceptable of the image at this point, then you're ready to submit it. If the image looks aliased, in other words stair-stepping or very low quality, you probably want to reevaluate the quality of the image before you submit it for printing. If it's ready to go, go to the File menu, Save As, and name the image with first initial, last name, underscore, assignment name. Down at the bottom of this drop-down menu, right here, you can choose JPEG, which is the format we want to use to submit the images so that there's some compression and we save on file size. Click Save and choose a quality setting of 10. 9 or 11 would be fine as well. 12 tends to create a rather large file. Anything less than 9 may not be optimum quality. Now that we've prepared that, you can always find information on submitting files or any department policies on our online portal called Howard. The URL, I'll just zoom into here for a minute, is iweb.langara.bc.ca/eStewart, Eric Stewart. Under the Info tab, there's the Photo Department Policy Handbook, and there's a section here of printing guidelines. And you'll find information in here about how to prepare your file and where to upload it. I'm going to skip here to the upload process and type in myfiles.langara.bc.ca. When you click Return, you'll be taken to a login screen where you enter the same user ID that you would use for any college computer to log in. Enter that ID and your password, then click Login. You'll be taken to a web interface which gives you the same information that if you were to connect with the StudentShare server, you'll see your files. I'm going to go to StudentShare, Semester, and I'm clicking once on these, and then Collaborative. You'll see different courses listed here compared to what I have, and this will change from semester to semester as you're taking different courses. Collaborative should always be visible. Click on that folder, and you'll see a folder named PHOT, Photo. And in that photo folder, we have Student Files for Printing. This is the folder you want to save your file to. Click on that once more to open it, and then you can either click on the Add Files button, or if you have a Finder window open already with your files visible, you can drag and drop your files in for printing. I'm going to click on the Add Files button here, and navigate to where I have that file. I have it right here. When I click open, the file will start to upload. And you'll notice here that you have a progress bar, and depending on the speed of your internet connection, you may find it takes anywhere from a couple seconds, perhaps all the way to an hour or two for the file to upload. If you upload it at the college, our Wi-Fi is actually fairly fast on upload. If you click on the X here to close the window, you'll then see your file here in the folder. If you see it here and it's in by 10:30 a.m., it will be printed by the end of the day, same day. If there is very high volume of printing, there may be a delay, but your lab tech will post that information. So, just in review, go to Howard at iweb.langara.bc.ca/eStewart. Hover on the Info tab, go to Photo Department Policy Handbook and Printing Guidelines if you need to review this information. We have the specifics listed there regarding how the file should be prepared. Make sure that you allow ample time for upload. Usually the upload speed is much slower than your download speed when accessing the web. The address for uploading those files is myfiles.langara.bc.ca. If you have any questions or need to review this process, please see one of the lab techs or your instructors in the department.